Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you was this. See how it says service mode? Please select OK to complete the service mode and return to normal driving. If you click OK right now, it's not going to read anything. Okay? So when you're done, then you can push OK. Another thing, on back to Techstream. So if you're concerned that you have a like a ABS or a wheel speed sensor or something that you might have damaged when you did your lift or at the shop or whatever, right? Because that seems to be a common thing. You can go into here, ABS V-Track or VSC and track. And you can also see if, let's say you took it to the shop, got an alignment, and then you had all these codes and it wasn't driving right, like steering's real loose and all that kind of stuff, and you got all these codes. If you go to data list, you can pull up the calibration numbers. You can't change them here, but you can look at them and see what they are. This is live data right here. Okay, so like right now my steering angle is 3 degrees from where it was zeroed, right? From when I drove it, when I calibrated the system. See how wheel speed sensors are 0? Well, that's because I'm sitting here in the shop. Right now, if I drive it forward, hopefully it's far enough in here. And you can do this while you're driving. I'm just barely creeping. We see steering angle, numbers are moving. Computer's kind of slow, so it might not pick up wheel speed. But basically, you can look at this while you're driving, and you'll see wheel speed numbers, all those zeros. Oh, see they all went to 1? That's because I'm going really slow. Now if you're driving, they're all going to be way higher. And if one says 0, then you have that wheel speed, that wheel, whichever wheel that is a problem. That wire has been broken, or the sensor's bad or something. So if you just did a lift and you're getting a wheel speed sensor code, or you've tried this crawl control 0-point steering calibration with Techstream like this, and it hasn't fixed it, it just keeps coming back. Look at these numbers, these wheel speed numbers, and while you're driving, and see which one is not reading a number. Right now, you can also click this little red button down here, and it'll record. Right, so you can hit record, go drive it without having to stare at the computer. Come back, replay it, and see what's up. See, so when I first hooked up, it was looking at this live data before I recalibrated anything. My steering angle sensor value was 0, and if I turn the wheel left or right, anywhere, it wouldn't change. So I just turned the wheel to the right a little bit. See how I went negative something? I think it's negative. Yeah, negative 139. So it wasn't doing anything. That's because it wasn't calibrated. So that's another thing you can look at. If you have all wheel speed numbers are good, like they all match, and then your steering angle sensor stays at 0, then you need to go through this calibration. All right?